Hey my buddies, what's going on? So today I'm gonna teach you the JSX. I think this is very important topic for you. Okay, let's move on to the session. What's the JSX of the reactjs? The JSX is an extension of the JavaScript that provides a way to structure component rendering. So, JSX allows us to write HTML directly within the JavaScript code. The most important thing is the JSX converts HTML tags into reactjs element. Okay my buddies, let's see examples of the JSX. Here are two examples. The first one uses JSX and the second one does not use JSX. However, we don't use createElement and appendChild methods of reactjs when we use the JSX. Somehow, let's wind up wasting your precious time, keep learning and earning money to enjoy your lives. So, see you in the next video. Keep in touch. Please subscribe, like and comment on my growing. Thanks a bunch for watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye.